Hi, today we're going to have a good time. We're in Yellowstone National Park, and so we're going to do a simplified dinner. We've just been like chilling out here. We're staying in a lake village at Lake Lodge in a little cabin here. But what we're going to do is we're just going to do one of these emergency food supply favorites, and it's easy, so we just need to... Okay, the water's boiling, so we have our lasagna in there. We're just going to pour this in, and then we're going to let this steep for like 12 to 15 minutes. Yeah, this is so good. Let's do that. Good times in the outdoors, even when it's simplified meals like this. It's going to be delicious. Let's turn that stove off. Put these lids on, yeah, and we'll just sit and let it cook there for about 12 minutes or so, and we'll check it at that point. So we'll see you back. Okay, here we go. These sat with the water in it for about 15 minutes, but it's just not quite done. So the thing that's good about these cups is I'm just going to light them on this stove and bring this to a boil a little bit, and this is going to be good. Yeah, look at that. Good times. Okay, here we go. It's bubbling up good. Yeah, look at that. That is pretty cool. Let me turn this heat off. Now let's look at this one. Oh yeah, look at that. That is yummy stuff. So it was in the hot water for like 15 minutes, but it needed just a little bit more. That's what's so good about these cups, is you can put them right on the heat source. Look at that. Yummy. Easy meal. Look how good this is. And that flavor is so good. So there you go. Hope you like this simple video of making food in the outdoors. We'll see you next time.